Alright, boys and girls, girls and boys, here I am with the Tuono, with the Thunder, finally home, and just 30 kilometers with it, so I'm just riding slowly to get used to it and until the first service. But I can tell this is a toy. This is so much fun. Quick shifter is awesome. I'm riding quite slowly at slow pace, and I can tell this is an awesome bike. Brakes great, by the way. She's not as comfortable as the Diavo or the Multi, but let's face it, I mean, this is a race bike with wider handlebars. That's it. This is a super bike. It's got lots of power, lots of electronics to manage it, and even though I'm riding like 40%, you can tell this is like riding on rails. You can lean whatever you want, non-stop. So finally I got my bike, and I was waiting for this one for about 3 weeks. But finally here. I think I need to stop a little bit. I'm not pushing at all, and this is fast. That gives me a sense of confidence. It's always at my reach. The bike is always at my reach. I don't know if I'm explaining it right. Just like what I mean is just I never feel that the bike is passing me. I feel like always in control of the bike. Well, I'm not pushing it now, but that's my feeling. By the way, right now here I'm in Galicia, in my vacation, my summer vacation. Just planning to spend a couple more weeks, or maybe 2-3 weeks here, riding through these great roads and enjoying the beach. So, first 63 kilometers of this bike, and I'm already enjoying it, and I hope to enjoy healthy this missile So stay tuned and see you guys pretty soon. Peace out.